going to the pharmacy in the US, you have to have a prescription to get any type of medication, for as if you need it for diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety, whatever it is. You have to have a prescription if you're going to go to the pharmacist to ask for or to purchase anything that is for those ailments. Anything over the counter is usually Tylenol, Advil, something that isn't going to address what it is that you're going through. Here, the pharmacist is like a doctor. You tell them whatever you're going on. Like back in the 70s, when your mama used to go to the pharmacist, like she's having yada yada yada, and the pharmacist would give her something for whatever I'm dealing with. That's how it is here in Ecuador. You can go to the pharmacist and say yada yada yada. They tell you this is what they would like for you to take, and how many days do I need to take it? 5 days, 5 days, twice a day. You may not, if you can't afford 10 pills, you can buy 1 pill and go back until you get more money to go back and buy 2 or 3 more. So there's really...
And you can also do it for someone else.
Yeah, you can go and purchase.
Yeah, so like your spouse or somebody you're with is sick. Or if you're by yourself and you need to send somebody to the pharmacy to get something for you, you can do that. They may have to take your ID sometimes, but depending on what you're getting. But like you can pretty much get anything. You just ask the pharmacist, say, hey, look, they got this temperature, they got these symptoms, and they say, okay, you need this, you need this, you need this. And this is how much it's going to cost. How much, you want to buy a whole box? You want to get a few pills?
Even going to do, like you said, doing something for him. For instance, he needed a password. His account profile needed to be reset. I didn't think they would allow me to do it, but as long as I had his cellular ID, she reset it.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't be able to do that in the US.
Yeah, that's like, imagine going to the DMV and resetting your